In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the amplifier from Lexus ES350 2013, which is similar to some other years. The amplifier is located under the driver's seat, so you have to push the driver's seat all the way forward in order to see the cover for the amplifier. And also, we did not remove the seat in order to get to the amplifier, but the easiest way, it takes more time, but it's easy to remove the seat completely and then you remove the amplifier. Or you can do it this way without removing the seat. You push the seat all the way forward and then we can remove the amplifier. The tools that you need is just the yellow dashboard removal tool, and then flat screwdriver, small one, and the size 10mm socket. In the first step, you pop up the pin for the cover of the amplifier, and once you pop it up, you cannot remove the cover at this point, but you can just slide it to the right, and then the bolt for the amplifier is exposed, and then you can remove the bolt. It's a 10mm. And once you remove the bolt, and then you need to remove the connectors for the amp, which using that flat screwdriver, you push the pin down for the connector and then take the connector, and the other one you just have to push the clip in and pull the connector to the right. And once you get the connectors out, you can remove the amplifier with the cover together. They come out, and then I will show you in a second. And as you can see, these are the connectors which are holding the amplifier and the cover. Yeah, I'm gonna separate the amplifier and the cover, and these are the connectors, the two pins which goes into the amplifier. And then the installation is opposite, but if you have a hard time to get it out this way, then you need to remove the seat. And if you need any repair for the amplifier, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.